This a demon, yeah? No, I love him, but he can't ramp with my youth, so. A dead house, an obvious house, a duppy house, and guzzle house. The whole like bumbuckler fuckery house, them would have reached. Yeah, them say London Bridge is tumbling down, that obvious bridge without drop down for enough away. Yeah, man, come let us make up my mind for just done. You understand? Yeah, man, but not because of no mind. That you want to feel me, it not take the same energy as a child. I mean, I different it like a mind. Yeah. Because pussy, see when me get the information pay for the town, you're dead already, man. Dead. That me I tell you, for the town you're dead, you're dead. It's easier for kill you at town. That's why I ever tell no found a pussy to come at town and don't fuck with. It's easier for kill you now. I mean, I understand females when they stop rolling from the pitney boat and look better life. Ain't no life without your child. Ain't no better in life if you don't have your child around you. Stop. No man, some people are either. I tell you straight. No man, some people are either. They must feel no. I tell God every day, you know. Don't make me show the wrong side of me. Yeah, man, cause you see, all I know love me, when I cry shame at that drunk prayer. Remember me tell you that. Yeah. Who would give a fuck again? Yeah, tell you. No one know me when me not give a fuck. I'll make you a blood clot, they do way me not give a fuck. And that's the wrong person. Fear, no man, female, and stop running from the youth, but now gonna look a better life. Carry the youth with a better life, because guess what you gonna do? You see better life for you look, you exchange your pitney for your worse life. You're being selfish, you're being greedy, and you're being self-centered. If you wanted to run around on your own, you should have never bring forth that child. And given the circumstances that that child is here, therefore you have no excuse than to take that child. Yeah, your handbag. Your handbag. Your clothes. Just like how you're in a gar road naked and a gar road left your youth. Yeah, gar road naked. You step out of your house just like how you step out of your blood clot bathroom and go straight through your gate. So why not go away left on the youth and go sleep all how much tea I left on the youth? Let me tell you something, you see as night come on my pitney, you know. Anyway, she there, you want her. You hear me say? Anyway, my blood clot pitney there, you see after hours me want her. Yeah man. So when I say I go comb her ear and the ear just after hours, I'm going to sit down with the ear just like I guess and my blood clot time with my youth. I don't understand, I like the fuck to she out of my side them hours at night. Yeah. And if your blood clot, fuck yourself with me, make you know say arm come out of her head now because she gonna go home. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this tomorrow. I'm gonna bring her early tomorrow, but this now gonna work with me. Right now I'm uncomfortable. That's the money but me sell now one night. Pitney for in them house. Especially when night come. Them need them parents. Sometimes Gabby just run, come out me and she don't want to let me go. She just want to lie down for your blood clot. She just lie down there. She don't want to move. I'm not thinking of putting me something when I come. When I think about them something there. When I was sitting down to myself and say, my pitney must miss me. How you feel? You don't feel like you saw cut out. And your heart don't feel like it want to race and drop out of your chest. No man, I tell me say I'm me alone that happened too. They tell me that I fuck. They tell me that. I'm me alone that rich. More my youth man. So I wanna go here and sleep how much night and eat. And phone youth no name. You girl, we have this a youth here. You see him picture go around on the net. You can go for your youth. You can do things you want to talk about on TikTok. You can put something in a one pro box. You can something. Girl, you can't do something, man. You can't go fuck a bad man or something, man. Now the man we attack. Everybody will hear ask who video. Now the most the man we attack, and this is the man we attack a video. Excuse me. This is the man we have video attack and I show say have a picnic out the door barefoot. And this is the picnic ear swell. You hold on now, look, and see all the picnic ear swell. Look for the picnic ears. Look for right side ears. You don't see it swell up. Look here, sir. You don't see the picnic ears swell up. Look there. Look how your ears stick. Eh? Look how your picnic side and face there's a swell like him licking. Yeah, him jaw swell, the whole of yours come round swell. Look how your ears up here so fat. Look up here so the little boy ears are fat. Look how him ears on a bore. Look how him ears look up. And look how him ears fat. Look there. My ears say him man a beat the Ckny Wid last from morning. The woman say if police come take a little boy, know the amount of loss we dey on him. Because a video go round. A video where you send a go round. A video where you video send a go round. You're not safe, you know? I wonder if you know say you're not safe. Yeah, the neck, you know, look, man, look good now, man, look good now, look now. Your days them numbers, pussy well, your days them hours. Hours you have. Your hours them pan this a blood clot lanya numbered. Remember me tell you that batty boy, your days them your hours numbered. Coming again a days. God can't blood clot evil and wicked so. Your days, your hours them numbered. You have numbers, hours. You don't have no day left in your life, batty man, you have hours. Remember me tell you that. You see, uno will like pray, you prayer warrior, them uno need to put in the hands and the heart together. Just like what you when Jamaica go down on them knee and pray for your little boy and make sure so them find the 4 adults to stab him up. As soon as you go down on the knee and make that pussy a turn in him bumbo clots before we murder him. Yeah, man, the whole land will love prayer, and no mama will love prayer. Go down on the knee and pray for that little one here. Yeah, man, make sure so when the batty boy they raise him and suffer little boy him turn statue in the blood clot here. You see him last when my blood clot go so pray so when him put it up it drop on him neck. Me no know how it go drop on him neck, but make God make a way and it drop on him neck and murder him. Fuck your own there, little boy. We last we not start that bumbo. We're gonna catch you. We're gonna murder you. You're gonna dead. And you're gonna dead wicked. You're gonna dead wicked. And you see, little dirty people living in a community. I come talk about you afraid. And you have one little gun round there. Go suck on the mother. Yeah, man, go suck on the mother. I come tell other people to leave it alone and go suck out on the mother. But we'll leave it. Uno tell me, na lefe, suck on the mother. I never one thing I tell him so to chop up on the blood clot down there. The whole of one way down there alone for B3AT Ckny so him for turn and chop up on the pussy hole and shoot you know. Yeah. Uno for dead. Uno for go. Go on for go and go dead too. Suck on the mother and go dead. Pussy well, and I watch him kill the little youth. When I watch him kill the juvenile, and then they come and people bumbuck like TV when 7 o'clock come talk about him always a beat the little boy. I suck on the mama. Sit a shit out. Then come and people bumbuck like TV with ignorant phone when you say, him always a beat the little boy. I will tell you, I suck out to the mama. You know, could have set up and chop him up and murder him. Yeah? You know, want to save one innocent life. You don't want to save murder life. Yeah? You don't want this a man you kill this a innocent pitney and people to leave it alone. And the sister you don't want dead too. If you want to kill the blood clot, half dead blood clot, grown adult, we don't live out your whole and pitney life. If you want to kill that bumper wall and make it good little boy flourish and come turn something nice. And then on the course and compare crime and bumper clot violence when the little boy face crime and rascal violence from now. Move! Move on the dirty bumper clot and go. That's a dog shit, someone wanna burn me, you see? I wanna pray God bite, make on the bite in the blood clot tongue and swallow it when time come for talk. You know, not talk about people murder us. And we live in cruel time. And I say cruelty I do. This a little boy where him deserve to get this. Look how his pitney face swell up. Look how his ear swell. Look there. Look blood clot there. Look there. And on top of it, you still a little juvenile around there this morning with last. Because the video where you say that talk about you're going to murder a pitney there reach viral. I even tell you for video him. So good boy. If you tell your video, God make your video because God want to murder you. God want your hours them number. That's why God make your video. Make you show the cruelty where you do to people. Pitney, batty boy. And I feel pitney, you own a seed. You own a seed but you sow. You own a seed where your blood clot so you around there, blood clot lick out a last pussy. And I talk about your mama better come for you. Chew your blood clot want the girl pussy and the girl carry her pussy come a town come give it. Go suck your mother, she go give it and get batty boy. You not get no more a good hole. Dirty boy. Shit house. A beaty blood clot pitney. You don't want to let go the pitney. Everybody in your family want to pitney. You don't want to let him go because you have gun. And you want the mama come for pitney so you can fuck out her hole. She now bring back her title. Come give you suck good boy. I carry feelings for the girl blood clot pussy we God put underneath her and I no fear. And a blood clot fear. Everybody want the little boy grandfather want him, him granny want him. His mama want him, you know, want blood clot about the girl for come for you. Pitney. Come for which pitney. Pussy will a gunshot a come for you. Look a so good boy. I'm telling you now, watch Andre tonight. Watch Andre tonight. And I got hear the real deal. Watch Andre tonight. Andre, you know for watch tonight. Yeah, you want the girl blood clot crutches. And the girl bring it come a town, come spread it out like chapalin and like blood clot down a Coronation Market and I sell it out. I sell it out to these scammer them. Pussy your ear so she get a scammer man and you just a beat youth. You just a kill him. Yeah, and you not give him, you go tell him, you go tell her so she better come for your youth through you want her pussy. Yeah, look how much other people come for youth, you don't want to give them, you want to use badness. Yeah, you want to use badness, batty boy. But you must know. You must blood clot, no. You must know. Gotta watch him. Yeah, man. That little boy coming like a Daniel in the Lions, then pussy. Yeah, man. No matter how you lick him, I pray to God him not feel it. I pray God block it. I pray God put a shield every time you lick him not feel it. Him just a cry for trick you.